Along the forum here of ancient Philippi, this is where Paul encountered the girl possessed by a demon. Seems to be the spirit of Python. Maybe she'd been down to Delphi. Her owners had taken her to Delphi, and she had become possessed by a demon there. And she's able to tell the future, and it was useful for her owners to make money from. Well, when she encounters Paul and Silas, she knows, spirits know, that they are servants of the Most High God, and that what she says is really powerful. She says they are just proclaiming how you can be saved. That doesn't seem to cause any issues until Paul becomes annoyed by it all, and he casts the demon out of her in the name of Jesus. When that happens, her owners see that there's no chance that they'll make money from her again in the future. And so they drag him off to the prison, which is on the corner of this marketplace, where he spends the night after being flogged. And God miraculously, via earthquake, gets him out, and the jailer, his life is changed as a result. So two very significant life changes happen here because of that encounter in the agora. Her life is changed, and so is the jailer. That's what God does with the gospel.